This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable read receipts on the Indeed app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now. To enable or disable your read receipts on Indeed, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu. Then right in here, you want to tap on Settings. Then you'll go down to where it says Communication Settings and tap on Communication Settings. And then you'll scroll down towards the bottom, right here, Show Read Receipts. Show people when you've read their message. When this is off, people won't see when you've read their message, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours. You would toggle on or off read receipts right here. Now mine is off. Now I'm going to tap on it again. Now my read receipts are on. That is how to enable or disable the read receipts on the Indeed app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.